guys, so this video is going to aim to teach you all how to use a sweep tool in Onshape. And starting off, let's make an FRC bumper because that's what this tool is great for. So as a little refresher, the image just shown right there is the cross section of an FRC bumper. So let's get started. Starting off, we're going to try and make a side profile of the FRC bumper. So following the dimensions on the image that I just showed, we're gonna create a construction sketch basically of the FRC bumper, and you can see what I'm doing right now is just creating some circles. And remember that the bumpers are backed by a 3/4 inch piece of plywood, so the box rectangle that you see in the back right now, that's gonna be our plywood. And next, we have the pool noodles, which are 2.5 inches in diameter. Right now, I'm just setting them equal to each other, so I only have to dimension one of them. And now I can begin setting the sketch relations. And what I'm doing right now is just setting the two circles tangent to each other and tangent to the plywood baseboard sketch. And to center them, I've created a center line through the plywood or the sketch plywood and set that tangent to the circle. And now I'm just drawing even more tangent lines to try and create the outer profile that we see on the actual bumpers. And now I'm just making sure all my lines are going to be tangent to each other. So click on the circle, the line, tangent, and then get rid of all those excess parts by setting the points actually And now that I've finished my side profile, I can finally move on to my sweep profile. So a really easy way to think of your sweep profile is to think of it as a bird's eye top-down view of your bumpers. So in this case, what I've just drawn is my cross-section or side profile of my bumpers, and now I'm going to move on to the top-down view. So in FRC, your bumpers will follow the path of the edges of your robot. Okay, that was a little bit of a mouthful, but if you think about it, your bumpers have to follow the edges of your robot. And in this case, let's say I have a hypothetical robot with dimensions of 25 inches by 25 inches. So that means my bumpers would have to follow the edges of the 25 by 25 inches robot. And that's just what I'm doing right now, which is creating a box that is 25 inches by 25 inches. And after I've dimensioned all that, just making sure again that my sketch is all black, which is good sketch etiquette, by the way, to make sure that everything is fully dimensioned. I can look at my sketch again just to make sure that I've drawn everything on the right planes. So if you look at it from this angle, you can see what I was talking about before, which is basically your sketch planes, your side profile, and your sweep profile have to be perpendicular to each other. And now that I've done that, I can start picking out what I want to sweep, which is again my side profile, and what I want to sweep it off of. So my sweep path, which is my sketch 2. And after I've selected all those different parts, I can see this beautiful bumper that Onshape has swept out for me. So if it does help, you can think of sweeping as the irregular shaped version of Revolute Extrude if you do know how to use that, because you can technically create a Revolute Extrude with sweep. It's just Revolute Extrude is specifically made for sweeping in a circular pathway, whereas sweeping gives you a lot more liberty and freedom in terms of whatever irregular shape you want to create a profile pathing of. And from all of us at 4253, thank you for watching our video, and we really hope you learned something today and found this video useful. Thank you.